Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix the access data option which is not showing in many persons Instagram account. For example, if you want to see access data option, you have to click on profile. After that you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to click on settings. In settings you have to click on security. As you can see in the video, if you click on security, then you will find option related to access data. But many of the Instagram users don't have this button, which is due to some unknown reasons, and in this video I will tell you how you can fix that problem. If you want to fix that problem, like access data which is not showing in many Instagram account, which shows all the accounts data related to your Instagram account. If you want to solve this problem, first of all you have to close your Instagram account and open Play Store on your device. As you can see in the video, if I go back and close my Instagram account and open Play Store on my Android device, then by updating my Instagram profile, then I can easily solve this problem. Hope that this problem is due to unknown errors in Instagram. If I update it, then hope this error will be fixed by updating Instagram account. For this you have to go to Play Store and search for Instagram. After that you have to click on update Instagram and you have to update your Instagram app so that this problem can be fixed. After you have updated your Instagram, you can again open your Instagram account, and by the same method you can open your access data option as I described earlier. Hope this time you will got the access data option. But if you don't get this option, then you have to wait for the next update, because this will be because of some unknown errors or bugs from Instagram. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, share this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.